Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact cells you intend to change so you don't affect other data. Open Replace with Ctrl+H and type the character you want removed into Find What. Leave Replace with Empty to delete the character. If you prefer a substitute, type it now. Make sure Match Case and Match Entire Cell contents are set correctly. Disable them when you need partial matches. Once done, glance at the sample matches shown before proceeding to Replace or Replace All. Now refine which occurrences are affected so you don't delete useful data. Open options to choose search by rows or columns and decide whether Match Case or Match Entire Cell contents should be on. If the character appears in patterns, use wildcards. For single characters, an asterisk for sequences, and escape literal wildcards with a tilde. Click Find Next to preview each instance, then Replace to handle them one by one. This gives precise control and avoids accidental mass edits. Finish by running Replace All only after you're sure the pattern matches correctly. Always save a backup copy first to restore if needed. If replacements disrupt formulas, restrict your selection to values or copy-paste as values before replacing. For complex cases, use a helper column with substitute to craft a controlled formula, then replace formulas with the results. If anything goes wrong, press Ctrl+Z right away to undo, and make sure to inspect a few rows to confirm the outcome before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.